Hi everyone, my name is Adrian Lievano. I just graduated from the University of Pennsylvania. I studied mechanical engineering here for my undergraduate and also for my graduate degree. And the project I'm working on is we're under a company called Everwaters. And what Everwaters does is that we provide clean and affordable drinking water for families in the developing world. And so there's a lot of talk and there's a lot of work being done right now in this field of clean water. How do we provide clean water? And if you look at past, current, and future solutions even, a lot of them have a lot of things in common. We all believe that everybody has a right to clean water. The points at which we disagree is how we get there. How do we solve this problem? And so as an engineer, I like to think of complex problems as if they were complex machines. So you have a robot. Whenever a robot breaks, you have to understand how a robot works to then be able to understand how you can repair it. A robot has mechanical, it has electrical, and it has computational aspects of it. And so like the world water crisis, and so the problem we're trying to solve right now, it has many different sectors to it. It has an economic sector, it has an educational aspect of it, it has a political aspect of it. So you have to really, the first step that we're doing is really trying to think about this problem very differently than it's been thought of before. And so in doing so, we're approaching this problem using market-based thinking and entrepreneurial capitalism. And so what that means is that in order to create a sustainable business model and sustainable social solution for this, we're incorporating economic incentives for the local community. And as a result, we're able to develop local jobs, stimulate the local economy, and sell and distribute these water filtration systems for households of a family of 4 or 5. And what we're estimating is that our filters are going to be able to remove up to 99.999% of harmful microbials that are responsible for water-related illnesses. So I think for anyone out there who's trying to do a project in the social realm, I think you have to really ask yourself, why are you doing this? And make sure that you have the right intentions of doing so. And then when you approach these problems, really try to innovate. Don't be afraid of thinking outside of the box. We didn't think that we have to be a nonprofit to come up with a solution, so we designed our own. And I think that each of you can do that. Another piece of advice I'd say is just try. Put yourself out there, take the risk. Don't be afraid of failure, because failure is going to be the first step to success. So make sure you take that first step.